Hi, I'm Maureen Paraventi, ISHN Web Editor, with a look inside ISHN's January 2019 issue. Trying to keep track of all the standards that apply to workplace safety can be challenging. Fortunately, in our January 2019 issue, ISHN brings you its annual roundup of all the occupational safety standards you need to know about. You'll learn the key provisions of a standard, what size or type of companies are covered by it, where to get compliance assistance, even the backstory of how a standard came into being. For instance, did you know that way back in 1937, Secretary of Labor Francis Perkins declared war on silicosis, thereby laying the groundwork for the OSHA standard that would be rolled out many decades later, one intended to protect workers from the substance that causes the disease. So turn to the January issue of ISHN for all the information that you need about standards for fall protection, hazard communication, scaffolding, lockout-tagout, powered industrial trucks, ladders, eye protection, machine guarding, respiratory protection, dropped object prevention, injury illness record keeping, confined space, walking working surfaces, silica, safety and health management, combustible dust, and electrical safety. Well, that's not all, of course. You'll also find the usual articles written by experts that are intended to help you do your job better. In the pages of the magazine or the web pages of the website, ISHN.com, you'll find tips on how to repair walking working surfaces, conduct respirator fit tests, educate your workers about dropped object risks, make sure they have the right footwear for the job, avoid compressed air injuries, and there's a great article by David Sarkis on how to make sure that your employees know they can come to you with safety-related feedback. And a must-read, I must say. ISHN editor Dave Johnson looks into his crystal ball for 2019's environmental health and safety trends and sees, well, you'll just have to check it out for yourself. Dave's been reporting on occupational safety for nearly 40 years. So his predictions are well worth reading. Now, if you're not a subscriber to the magazine, and why aren't you? You can get all this delivered right to your mailbox. You can read all of ISHN's articles online. Just go to www.ishn.com. If you would like to subscribe, just go to the website, click on Magazine, and then on Subscribe. Thank you for watching.